Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Ankr. So Ankr is a coin we talk about a lot on the channel, so if you guys are interested in Ankr or you want daily updates on altcoins, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So we see the market cap barely below that $1 billion market cap right now at $967.4 million. We have that market cap for Ankr, and the volume in the last 24 hours sitting at $118.3 million. So Ankr has a lot of growth opportunities to come. I do think Ankr is one of those coins that we will continue to talk about pretty much daily on this channel because there's so much to really bring into detail here. So we have a lot of recent news and information that we're going to talk about. So make sure to stay tuned for that, as well as price predictions at the end of the video for May, June, and 2021. Before we get started on the information and really news of today, I do want to talk about what Ankr is for those of you who don't know. Ankr is an Ethereum token that powers Ankr, a Web3 infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeFi platform that aims to make it easy and affordable for anyone to participate in blockchain ecosystems by building dApps, hosting nodes, or staking. The Ankr token can be used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as node deployment, API services, and participate in on-chain governance, and also act as an insurance for network participants. So it's obviously a very, very well-built coin. It has a lot of utility behind it. There's so many needs for something like this, and we're going to talk about, what Ankr's been doing recently. If we jump over to their Twitter, they talked about their Happy Sunday update. So they talked about this every Sunday. They have an update. So this was, a couple days ago, but we will continue to talk about this in our Ankr videos. The most recent update every time, just because there's some stuff that maybe you guys maybe missed out on. So WBNB and Ankr pair live on PancakeSwap. They have the liquidity Ankr through ATH trading on Uniswap v3. They hit 90K followers, and they explained the meaning of the internet bond, and they are still hiring, which is definitely a good sign. So they hit 90K followers. Obviously, now they are at that 100K followers. So obviously a very massive increase, going from about 11K followers, it looks like, in the last 2 days or so. So just very, very quick increases for Ankr. A lot of people starting to realize that Ankr is worth following, worth, looking into or wanting, or I guess watching, or, putting on the wait list, really, so you can find a good entry point or hear about more news and updates, basically, because a lot of people are interested in what Ankr has to offer. So they're giving away 3 Ankr Poco Pets NFTs and $100 in Ankr to 3 followers. So if you guys actually retweet the tweet, you can actually enter the giveaway by doing so. Obviously, follow them as well. So definitely take advantage of that if you're looking to maybe win something. If we go to the next one, we see Ankr is mapped on Polygon. So mapper.matic.today, and they talk about, and really Ankr WETH pair is now trending on SushiSwap as well. So Ankr now trading on SushiSwap on Polygon. So that is obviously a good thing. Continuing to see Ankr really have more and more accessibility, as well as more, like I said, utility behind the coin itself. So they have a technical update as well. This was yesterday as well. So they talked about the technical update for developers using the Ankr API to connect to a chain. We have added a new feature, block height, compared to the highest block, which quickly shows developers the block height status of our API. So this is a big deal as well, obviously, for developers. It's just really good to see that they continue to have these technical updates that really will, I guess, like I said, support, developers. Next, we are joining forces with Solve Protocol to join the financial NFT ecosystem. So this is just basically a partnership, or strategic collaboration is what Solve calls it, with Ankr and Solve Protocol. So it's great to see that take place. Obviously, good news for Ankr anytime somebody really gets a partnership or integration at all, or a collaboration. Definitely a good or positive thing to look into. So before we jump into their website and talk more about what Ankr is and, the price predictions for Ankr, I do want to say, guys, take advantage of the referral codes and referral links in the description below. I have a bunch of them. So first off, I want to say crypto.com is a great app to actually take advantage of. It's the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest on your crypto assets. You can do all of this by joining my crypto.com referral code in the description below. Also, like I said, there's a ton of exchanges down there. So Binance, Voyager, Coinbase, a bunch of different exchanges. It doesn't hurt to, apply or sign up for all of them and find out which one you love the most. Obviously, crypto.com is the one we're going to be talking about today, and I think taking advantage of the referral code at the bottom will definitely support you as well as me. So buy crypto at true cost. Buy and sell 100 plus cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies using bank transfers or your credit and debit card. So it's great and easy to use. If we jump to Ankr now, we're going to talk about connecting to Web3 in minutes. So they support more than 40 blockchain protocols for staking and developing purposes. This includes some big names. Obviously, Celo, we've talked about Binance, Bitcoin, Tron, Polkadot, Avalanche, Matic. Some big names obviously taking advantage of Ankr. If we go down a little bit, we can see more about the staking nodes. So spin up your own staking nodes and start earning rewards immediately. Developer APIs and enterprise solutions. Continuing down, you can see that there's 8,000 plus nodes deployed already and trusted by really blockchain pioneers around the world. But I do want to take a look at the ETH2 solution that they have for staking. So they call it staking simplified. So Ankr provides decentralized staking services for Ethereum 2.0. Ankr's ETH2 staking protocol and platform combines staking and DeFi, implementing elements from traditional staking with non-custodial management and micro pools, instant liquidity, and decentralized governance. So they have over 48,000 ETH staked with Ankr currently, over 2,690 stakers already. They have a brief overview on how to actually stake with Ankr. It's very easy, and you can actually watch this and get a brief understanding of really how it all works. Like I said, it's very easy. And they talk about why stake with Ankr. Well, realistically, I think because the simplicity of the design really is just mind-boggling how easy it is to start staking now compared to what it used to be for crypto. So now we have micropool staking manager, staking liquidity and security. So there's obvious reasons why a lot of people are staking with Ankr right now. Ankr's really ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience, highest level of safety, combined with an attractive reward mechanism and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like synthetic token, obviously called ATH. So you can actually calculate your earnings as well. If you say 79 ETH, you'll get 4.9 ETH back in return. It's just very easy to do so. Like I said, simplicity here. You connect your wallet, you're good to go. But let's jump back to the Coinbase listing. Let's take a look at the price and see where we think it's going to go within the next couple hours, as well as obviously the end of the month, end of May, June, and 2021. So I will say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. And I also want to say, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So taking a look at the last month of Ankr, we saw a 26% decrease. In the last year, though, we see a 7,300% increase, which is obviously massive. Ankr is one of those coins that's definitely worth looking into because of this increase. We saw massive potential in most recent increases because we see this 26% decrease, and we see a great entry point for a lot of people if they want to invest in Ankr at a low price point. That's exactly what you're going to be getting. I do think we are going to see Ankr do fairly well in the upcoming months. That's why by the end of May, I do suggest, Ankr will be right around 18 to 20 cents. I think by the end of June, we'll push closer to about 30 cents, possibly about 25 cents is, really my realistic price prediction for Ankr by the end of June. 25 cents would be a good price target. By the end of 2021, I think we will continue on pushing closer and closer to about a 50 cents to about 60 cents price point. I think $1 would be great to get to. I don't think we're going to quite make it. It really depends on how long these crypto dips really take place and how long the bull run really goes. But we could see it anywhere really from 60 cents to 90 cents in my opinion. Ankr has a great range of utility behind it, and I think that's exactly what's going to continue it on this really increase that we saw in the last year. I think there's a lot left in it. Unfortunately, we've had a lot of dips recently, and that's what's making most coins struggle at the moment. But for the most part, I think Ankr is going to do very well in the upcoming months. So it's definitely a coin to look into, see if you can find a good entry point. Always do your own research before investing, like always. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys want more realistic predictions, make sure, like I said previously, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.